Natural light has a powerful effect on how a home feels. It makes spaces look larger, more inviting, and more comfortable. For homeowners in Carencro, Louisiana, maximizing natural light isn't just about aesthetics. It's also a way to enhance energy efficiency, mood, and overall home value. The good news? With the right window styles, you can bring in more daylight without sacrificing comfort or privacy. Whether you're upgrading old windows or designing a new home, here are the best window styles for brightening Carencro homes year-round. Picture windows. Expansive views and abundant light. If your goal is to let in as much sunlight as possible, picture windows are your best option. These large, fixed-pane windows offer unobstructed views and flood rooms with natural light. Because they don't open, they're incredibly energy efficient, perfect for Carencro's warm climate, where keeping cool air inside is key. Picture windows are ideal for living rooms and great rooms overlooking scenic views or gardens. High walls where you want dramatic natural lighting. Combination designs, paired with smaller operable windows for ventilation. Their simplicity and clarity make picture windows a timeless choice for bright, airy spaces. Bay and bow windows. Light from multiple angles for homeowners who want both natural light and architectural character. Bay and bow windows deliver the best of both worlds. Bay windows feature 3 panes that project outward, capturing sunlight from different directions. Bow windows, with 4 or more curved panels, create a graceful, panoramic look that enhances both light and space. These window styles are excellent for front-facing areas, such as living rooms and dining spaces. Reading nooks or breakfast corners, where sunlight can stream in throughout the day. The multi-angled design of bay and bow windows ensures consistent daylight exposure from sunrise to sunset, something every Carencro homeowner can appreciate. Casement windows. Maximum ventilation and light casement windows are another great option for homeowners who want both sunlight and fresh air. Hinged on one side, these windows swing outward like a door, allowing for wide openings and maximum airflow. Because casement windows don't have a center rail, they allow uninterrupted views and more sunlight to pour in compared to traditional double-hung designs. They're especially effective in kitchens, where ventilation helps remove cooking odors. Bedrooms, where fresh air and morning sunlight improve comfort. When installed by professionals, casement windows also form an airtight seal when closed, making them energy efficient in Carencro's humid summers. Sliding windows. Brightness with easy operation. If your home features wide walls or modern layouts, sliding windows are a sleek and practical choice. Their wide glass panels allow for generous light distribution, while their horizontal operation makes them easy to open and close. Sliding windows are ideal for living rooms and bedrooms, especially those with low ceilings. Smaller homes or apartments, where maximizing space and light matters. Their simple design and large glass surfaces make sliding windows a great fit for Carencro homes aiming for a contemporary, open-air feel. Awning windows. Light and protection from the elements in Carencro. Occasional rain showers are part of life. Awning windows, which open outward from the top, let you enjoy natural light and ventilation even during light rain. They work beautifully when installed above larger fixed windows to add both function and flair. In bathrooms and basements, where privacy and airflow are equally important. Awning windows also provide excellent sealing, keeping cool air inside and reducing energy costs. Tips for maximizing natural light. Choosing the right window style is only part of the equation. To make the most of your new windows, consider lighter wall colors to reflect sunlight throughout the room. Minimalist window treatments like sheer curtains or blinds. Strategic placement, such as south or east-facing installations for optimal daylight. When installed by professionals, your windows will be properly aligned, sealed, and positioned to capture the most light, without increasing heat gain or energy loss. Final thoughts for Carencro homeowners. upgrading to the right window styles can completely transform your living spaces. From expansive picture windows to elegant bay designs and versatile casement styles, each option offers unique benefits that enhance brightness, comfort, and energy efficiency. By working with local window experts, you can choose the ideal combination of styles, materials, and placements to fill your home with natural light year-round. The result? A brighter, more beautiful, and more energy-efficient home that truly reflects the warmth of Louisiana living.